How to check your phone battery status. Any Samsung devices. My phone is Galaxy S22 Ultra. Design battery capacity is 5000 mAh. My battery health is good. Now, let's check the battery health on your device. Open Galaxy Store. Find and install Samsung member application. Open Samsung member. Select Support tab. Phone Diagnostics. Tap Battery Status to check. In addition to the battery health check function, there are other tests in the list. Tap to test. Fingerprint test. Touch screen test. This test checks whether the touch screen is working properly. Or you can test all with this button. The software will notify you if any function is not working properly. There are sensor tests that will require you to cover the device screen. Check the functions on your device.